This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating inputs. Disconnect any external mouse and Bluetooth devices so you control variables. Next, open Device Manager and look for yellow warnings. This shows driver conflicts that cause ghost scrolling. Once done, set your power profile to balanced and turn off fast startup, because driver reload timing can trigger sensors. You'll run these checks now to eliminate obvious hardware and boot-related causes before we change drivers and settings. Now you'll focus on drivers and touch settings. Update the touchpad and HID-compliant mouse drivers, or roll back if a recent update broke behavior. This fixes many auto-scroll cases. Then open touchpad settings and lower sensitivity. Disable edge scrolling and three-finger gestures that can emulate scrolling. Make sure to install the OEM driver package rather than the generic one. These steps change how the hardware reports input and usually stop unintended scroll signals. Finish by testing in safe mode and in a new user account to see if background software causes the issue. If scrolling stops, remove recent apps. Clean the touchpad with a dry microfiber cloth and, if available, recalibrate via the manufacturer utility because dirt or moisture creates false inputs. Once done, try an external mouse. If it works fine, this confirms touchpad hardware. If problems persist, update BIOS/firmware and contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.